this guide, I'm going to show you where your drops are and how you can open them up in Rocket League. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, from the main menu, what you're going to want to do is select Garage, and then once you're in Garage, go ahead and select Manage Inventory. Now, once you're inside your inventory, you can press R1 or RB depending on your controller, and essentially just scroll through here until you get to the reward items, which should look something like this. And this is where all your unopened drops are going to be located. If you see what you might get, essentially just highlight the drop and press X or A, or just click on it on PC, and it's going to preview all the possible contents, and it's not going to show the exact items, but it will give you an idea of potential rewards that you may be getting. To open it, select it, hit open, and then confirm by hitting yes, and you'll receive one random item from that drop. It really is as simple as that. You can equip the item immediately or keep opening up more drops. It really is up to you, but opening drops in Rocket League is super easy once you know where to look. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.